In this lesson, we'll install a super helpful browser extension called React DevTools. And this extension helps us do quite a lot. First up, React DevTools will allow us to see the React component hierarchy as it is rendered on the page. It will also allow us to select and focus on specific components. It's also going to show us the time it takes to render specific components. And finally, it allows us to edit prop values on the fly so that we can observe the resulting changes in our components immediately on screen. So in summary, React DevTools is a powerful way that we can analyze and debug our React application directly within the browser. And we're going to see more of its functionality in the next lesson. Now, this extension should be available for all modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and more. Of course, we are proceeding through this course using Google Chrome, so I'll show you the installation process for that browser. So here I am on google.com, and I'm going to search for React Dev Tools, also known as the React Developer Tools. So this first link right here on chrome.google.com is what we want. So if I click into that, I'll be taken to the extension page. You can see it has over 3 million users, so obviously a pretty popular extension. And the way that we can add it to Chrome is by clicking this blue Add to Chrome button. That should take just a few moments after we click Add Extension, and that will install it. So at this juncture, what I'd like to do is go back to our actual React application right here in localhost 3000 and make sure you refresh the page. On a Mac, you can do that with Command R. On a Windows, I believe it is Control R, or of course, you can always click this refresh button right here on the top bar. And it's important to refresh the page because that should trigger React DevTools to load. And where it's going to appear is actually in your developer tools. So if I right click right here and click inspect, that's going to bring up our developer tools where we of course have our elements inspector, our console, our network tab, etc. And React DevTools will add 2 automatic tabs to this collection of options. And we don't see them right here, but that's because they're collapsed. So in case you don't see them, you can just click this button right here to expand, and you can see them right here. So these 2 tabs of Components and Profiler were both added automatically by the installation of React Developer Tools. So you can click into the Components tab, and you should see a rendering of your component hierarchy, all right? So we'll dive more into how to use this in the next lesson, but as long as you're able to see this, that means that the React DevTools were successfully installed for Chrome. So we'll walk through how to use this technology in the very next lesson.